feel like it's not old enough.
The other one is so much smoother.
I think it's been sanded.
Okay.
At what point do you put something on?
So, shall I cross it off here? 36.